greetings dear friends, greetings, how are you today? So it's Friday, yay! Well done, we made it through another week, excellent, well done. And to celebrate, we're going to practice some breathing exercises. That's the party! Bring a bottle and let's practice your breathing exercises. Great party, huh? Okay, so breathing, seriously though, it is like giving a party for your lungs. When you breathe correctly, you fill your body up with oxygen. You get rid of all that stale carbon dioxide, all those buggies floating around your body, and you just bring in fresh energy. It's the best party you'll ever go to. A smoothie party and some breath work. What more do you want in life? Okay, serious time, let's refocus. So, I wanted today to share with you just some really sort of simple, we've done before, three basic breathing awareness exercises. Oftentimes people say they can't meditate, it's too difficult, can't quiet the mind, can't still the thoughts, and they find it hard to do some of the more advanced breathing exercises. So I always say, just start off really basic, just start off just like being aware of your breath, being aware of the power inside of you, just through breathing. It's funny, isn't it? When you do videos, my head just suddenly freaks me out. So, we're going to practice three basic breathing awareness exercises, and they are what they say, breathing awareness. They really help you just become aware of how you're breathing in and how you're breathing out. And the best way to do that is when you make a sound. So we're going to do three breathing exercises. We're going to make the first one, we're going to make the R sound, then the oo sound, then the E sound. But as I'll demonstrate as we go along. Alright. So, as per usual, anytime it comes to any sort of yoga breathing exercises, think about your posture. Think about, how can I lengthen my spine? What needs to shift in your energy, in your position, so that you are sitting up? You're sitting up on your sitting bones. You're a queen. You're sitting up, you're regal. Got the shoulders lowered. Nice broad chest. You're on the ears and the shoulders in line. And the first breathing exercise, we're going to breathing awareness, we're going to practice. We're going to practice saying the R sound. So we're going to breathe in from your belly, and when you breathe out, you open your mouth wide and just make a soft ah sound. And it's sweet, it's music to your heart, yeah? So we're going to do maybe four rounds? Yeah, let's see how we get on with 4 rounds, see how that goes. Obviously, when you practice again by yourself tonight, you can go for longer, but this is just literally a mini crash course in breathing awareness exercises. So sitting upright, set your intention. Okay, so breathe in from the belly, so breathe, full breath in, open your mouth, ah. 3 more, full breath in, open your mouth, ah. Energizing, huh? 2 more, full breath in, and 1 more. Don't you feel good? Doesn't your body feel alive, energized? Yeah, we got this. So full breath in. don't get the cobwebs. That's brilliant. Excellent. Well done. So that's number one, the first breathing awareness exercises. And the purpose of doing these exercises is just literally just to let your brain know that you know how to breathe. You're teaching yourself how to breathe correctly using the whole breathing apparatus. So that's the first one, the R sound. The next one, we're going to say the ooh sound. We make sound because, I don't know why I make sound, to be honest. I can't remember. It's fun. And when I teach children, they just go to town. Adults have got a bit stush, but children, they go to town, they love it all. They just love breathing exercises. They love making sounds with cobras, with lions and elephants. But adults, we're a bit stush, we're not so keen on, a bit more reserved, yeah? So, sitting up tall and straight, remember, what do you need to do to make sure your spine, your back, is nice and elongated? You've got a friend today. Okay, so we're going to breathe in, and on the out breath, we're going to say ooh. Okay, going to make the ooh sound. Activates a different part of the body. So, full breath, just breathe out. Ready? Breathing from the tummy, full breath in. Ready? And and again, breathe in. Full breath in. I'm dribbling, excuse me, apologies, sorry. Oh, how does your mind feel? Just tune in, that space between your ears, what does it feel like? What are you aware? What do you sense? Do you notice? My mind feels clear. Yeah? It's interesting. Before I started the practice, I had lots of things in my mind, lots of kind of like think about the weekends, week ahead. People have still got to phone. And now, just doing that practice, it's marvellous. Isn't it just marvellous? Okay, so we've done the R sound. We've done the ooh sound. And now we're going to go E. We're going to the E sound. Alright? So again, set your intention, sitting up nice and tall, chin tucked in, lengthen the spine, full breath in, breathing from the belly. Do work at your own pace, so go at a pace that suits you. Always aim to maximum exhalation, full breath in from the belly. So full breath in. And again, full breath in. Two more, you're doing great. You'll stick with the program, you feel great. Just let's take a breather. So just breathe out normally. Okay, two more rounds. Full breath in. Soft E sound. Last one, full breath in. done. Full breath out. Empty, empty, empty. Well done. Awesome. Awesome. Well done. And just be still. Just savour the freshness of that new breath. Take a few moments just to savour the breath. Notice what you notice. Well done. Excellent work. Well done. Well done. So, how do you feel? What was that like for you? Yeah? I feel very clear. Clear. It's like I had I don't know, been put in a tumble dryer and I've just been spun and wrung and I'm all clear and all fresh and I'm just ready now for the rest of the weekend. Well, for the weekend. Alright, so take care, dear friends. Quick recap. We practiced 3 basic breathing awareness exercises and they're really great to do to help prepare you to meditate. Because sometimes people say they can't meditate, there's just too much going on in their head's too busy, too full. By taking time to practice these breathing awareness exercises, anywhere, anytime, it mentally calms the mind down so that you are able just to sit a bit longer and practice a meditation technique. So take care, a wonderful weekend, and thanks for taking time to watch these videos. And please do share, do tell a friend, let them know what fun we have with our sort of yoga breathing exercises, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you. Cheers. Namaste. God bless. Thank you. Bye now.